Cookie butter.
Yeah, not a horse.
Ain't no fun time.
What the fuck?
I'm a dog with always stuck in there.
Evening. Even. Make it things even. Wings. Up evening. It's dark the sun.
You know if you gargle cold water, it'll get rid of it.
I didn't know that. Peanut butter works too.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
That's a lie.
It's happened to me. It
No,
works
bull,
for me.
bull.
Whatever, girlfriend. Whatever.
How is peanut butter work?
I know, peanut butter doesn't
Yeah, it works.
anything.
Look at this. We're fighting. Look at this shit. Calm down, guys.
What is peanut butter?
Peanut butter doesn't do shit.
Look at this. Look at this.
Peanut butter doesn't
Look how
do
black
shit.
they're being. Look at this. They're ganging up on one face.
Yeah, explain to me how peanut butter works for hiccups.
Look at that. That.
You're gonna have the hottest peanut butter supposed to work.
How much does it cost?
Oh my
one.
god.
What's the number for 911? Who knows the number for 911?
He did that to his friends once. He called 911 in Hong Kong.
Yeah, call
My
911.
brother called 911 like 4 times. He didn't learn his lesson. They showed up, they banged on the door, and they yelled at him.
I was like 4. No, I was like 8. I called 911 because I was trying to call my girl. I thought 911 was her number. I didn't think they'd come. Then a bald fat guy showed up at my house looking Mario without hair. He was making his rent.
I love hiccups.
Can we make a device that'll make you black? Spray
Sharpie.
paint don't work. It comes up.
Sharpie?
That comes off in the shower. No, I want to be like permanently black.
Can't you
Like how Michael Jackson.
No, because I have to have fat lips. Can't have black eyes.
Yes, sir.
I can't have a job. I don't want to be black anymore. Can't have a job. Never mind. Let's be
How's peanut butter working here?
No.
Are you supposed to eat peanut butter?
I'm gonna go camping here.
Yes,
I'm gonna swim in.
I want to know how peanut butter is supposed